Today I'm going to be playing FC Mobile but I have to use gold card only. If I lose I have to get rid of my team of the year Messi. Now let's get started. Now this is the team. In goal we have Crepo. If you are wondering why I did choose a gold card goalie, it's because in FC Mobile players are much more stronger. So having a gold card goalie is useless. So that's why I need a stronger goalkeeper. Now in defense we have Valde, Van Dijk, Araujo, and Walker. In midfield we have De Jong, Alex Garcia, and Pedri. In attack we have the MSN trio Neymar, Suarez, and Messi. Now let's get started. Alright, let's get started. What the hell? Damn it. Damn it. Yes, go! Oh my god, how did that get in? Oh my god. Wait, wait. I think it's a rage quit. Oh my god. Oh no! Thank you, Creepo, thank you. Oh, let's go. Come on. Let's go, Neymar! Let's go! Neymar Jr. Oh, come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Let's go! We won! Let's go! Thank you guys for watching, and also I'm going to be making 2 more FC Mobile videos, and then I'm going to be switching to another game. So stay tuned for that, and I see you guys on the next video. Bye!